Sabi African Network, illuminating Africa's narrative as pioneers in science, engineering, and technology.
Africa's pioneering role in maritime technology is really setting the stage for innovation and global leadership. You know, the continent is sailing towards a future where it stands at the forefront of maritime advancements. Do you know Africa, with over 30,000 kilometers of coastline and strategically located ports, is transforming its maritime sector through cutting-edge technology. The continent is pioneering sustainable and innovative solutions that are, honestly, reshaping the global maritime landscape. Africa's coastal nations are positioned along key maritime routes like the Suez Canal, the Cape of Good Hope, and the Gulf of Guinea. These locations, well, they make Africa central to global trade, handling a significant portion of global shipping traffic. Countries like South Africa and Morocco are leading the way with smart ports that use artificial intelligence, the Internet of Things, and big data to automate cargo handling, reduce costs, and improve efficiency. These ports are, without a doubt, critical for supporting Africa's growing intracontinental and global trade networks. So African nations are exploring autonomous vessels and offshore systems to optimize oil exploration and cargo transport. By using AI-driven navigation systems, these technologies are really reducing human error and, enhancing the safety and efficiency of maritime operations. Ports in Africa, like those in Kenya and South Africa, are integrating renewable energy solutions such as solar and wind power into their operations. Initiatives like shore-to-ship power, well, they significantly reduce the carbon footprint of maritime activities. As global shipping shifts towards sustainability, African innovators are in fact at the forefront, developing hydrogen-powered ships and wind-assisted propulsion technologies. These advancements align with global targets to reduce carbon dioxide emissions from shipping by 50% by the year 2050. Nigeria and, other African nations are really leading the way in maritime security. They're deploying AI-powered surveillance drones, automatic identification systems, and automated response systems to combat piracy and ensure safe navigation along African coasts. Africa is, pioneering the blue economy by using its ocean resources sustainably for economic growth. This includes renewable energy, fisheries, and deep-sea mining, all while ensuring environmental conservation through advanced maritime spatial planning. The AfCFTA, which is actually the world's largest trade agreement, is a driving force behind Africa's maritime transformation. To support increased trade, African nations are investing in technologically advanced ports that improve connectivity and streamline logistics. With its investments in smart technology, renewable energy, and maritime security, Africa is no longer just a gateway for global trade. It's emerging as a global leader in maritime innovation, setting new standards in sustainability, efficiency, and safety.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to Sabi Africa Network by clicking subscribe. Stay tuned for the next episode of the Sabi Africa Network micro documentary.